This is Ed again from Around the Town Heating. This is the second segment of the video. I'm removing the blower motor to show you exactly the condition of this furnace. Of course, we're removing the furnace, so the blower's coming out and it's going to stay out. But I want to show you, this is the stuff that you breathe if the equipment is not maintained. This is your indoor air quality. Isn't that terrible? Hopefully the new owner will take care of it better. Of course, the new furnace has a pan in the bottom, so dust and dirt's not going to get sucked into it. So this is how furnaces break. And you see, look at the blower motor. And this is everything over the years. Lack of maintenance, furnace neglect. But the bottom line here would be, this is what you're breathing that's getting through the evaporator coil. It out.